everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a watercolor snowflake using washable markers and a coffee filter. Every kit is going to come with a Snowflake template, a coffee filter, and a paper clip. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your coffee filter and flatten it out. So I'm just going to put it on a paper plate and smush it flat. The next step here is you are going to take some washable markers. I'm using Crayola, and you are just going to color on both sides of the coffee filter. I'm using pinks, purple, and blue for like a cute frozen theme, but you can do any wintry colors that you want. We are going to be wetting the coffee filter, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So I've colored one side of my coffee filter like this. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side pretty much the same way, but you don't have to. So I finished both sides of my coffee filter.
Nice. And
then the next step is going to be to wet the coffee filter. Looks a little crazy now, but by wetting it, it's going to get a cool watercolor effect. I'm going to be using a spray bottle to wet the coffee filter, but you can also use an eyedropper or just a very careful pour. So once you've sprayed it, or gotten it wet, or whatever you've done, you're going to need to set it to the side and let it dry. Don't try and pick it up when it's wet because it is very messy. I have an already dry coffee filter here that I've made. So the next step is going to be taking this dry coffee filter and folding it in half. So we're gonna fold this in half, and then we're gonna take it and we're gonna fold it in half again. The coffee filter should look like this. And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna fold it into thirds. One side here and turn it into the middle, fold it into the center, crease that. I'm gonna take the other side and fold it over top. Now your coffee filter should look like this, like a little triangle. So the next step is we're gonna move on to our Snowflake template. So you're gonna need some scissors, and our template is going to have 4 designs on it. And then a blank one in case you wanna get creative and make up your own snowflake design. Pick a template that we like and then cut it out. Now I have my template. I am going to take my paper clip from before and use it to attach the template to the triangle. And then cut along the black line on the template. I'll be slowly moving my paper clip around so that it does not get in the way, and I keep the template in place. Okay, so this is what we should be left with, and then you're just gonna remove your paper clip carefully. All right, and then we have our very cute winter snowflake. So the different templates make different snowflakes, so you can try and see which ones you like. Like this is one of the snowflakes you can make, or you can make a shape like this. Thank you for watching. You can pick up your take and make kits for the watercolor snowflakes at the Youth Services desk at the Bay County Public Library while supplies last. Thanks!